this video, friends, I will show with you step by step how to contact novobanco customer support. So friends, go to Google, search for novobanco, this one. As you can see here, click this first result. After that, friends, scroll down little, see this option here, help and contact. Click on help and contact. From the help and contact option, you see 2 or 3 options to contact support team. You have this number 218-837-700, or you can contact through this email address, guys. This is approximately 24 response time. Click this email, and then guys, just wait to open this email. And after that, all you have to do, write your email message to this email, guys. As you can see here, this is the email support, and write your problems here, guys. It's your own problem here. So guys, this is how you can do, and also you can contact through this option. Look up, this is I don't know exactly what is this option, but you can use, and you have a lot of option here, guys. If I go back, you can also, guys, apply, you can contact easily. So guys, I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and share this video for more content. You have also this number, you can contact all this number, it is work, and with also with this email.